Hey guys, what's up? All right. It's Double Deuce back. Don't you hate it when you're making out your Christmas lift and you get a crappy pencil? You know, it's like I can't find a pen. Pencils are like all over the place and none of them are sharp. So I fixed that. So stay tuned. You're going to enjoy this. Now that's the way you sharpen a pencil. So I took my little hoglet and I attached an old pencil sharpener to it so I can sharpen my pencils in style. What do you think? Put your comments down below. Double Deuce, loved all. Later.